Hi! In this video we're going to talk about milk. And what types of milk we have to offer are 2%, and that's always our go-to milk, unless otherwise stated by your customer. Whole milk, fat-free, also known as non-fat, half and half, or fat-free half and half, also known as your Rozy'z. The regular half and half is less carbs and sugar, but more calories than your fat-free, and your fat-free is more carbs and less calories and sugar than your regular. We also have heavy whipping cream, and that's more towards your keto-friendly drinks, but anyone can get them. We do have 4 specialty milks that are non-dairy. We have oat milk, and that's naturally sweetened with oats. It's the closest thing to dairy textured-wise for your iced drinks and your hot drinks. We have original coconut, and it does have some sugar add-in, so there are some grams of sugar in there that you do need to let your customer know about. We have vanilla flavored soy, and then we have an unsweetened plain regular almond milk as well. All of these are barista series, so you get a great texture with them when you steam them, and they're great with iced drinks. Talking about texture for a minute, when steaming our milks for our lattes, we want a nice velvety texture compared to a flat texture, which just looks like milk you poured into your pitcher and heated up. When we serve our lattes, we want them to be nice and velvety and have that really pretty smooth look to them. When steaming, we do have a couple temperatures we like to hit. Our standard temperature is 140 degrees. Extra hot is about 160. Screaming hot is 180 and above. And then for our sweet little children, we like 100 to 120. Take a peek in the car, see what the age is. The older, the higher you can go. But kind of keep an eye on that and gauge that well. With milk, it is a neutralizer to your coffee. So I think it neutralizes your acidity, your sugars. The fattier the milk, the better the taste. Upsell that breve. Great point there. You're going to be hand steaming all your milks, especially your specialty milks, your breves, your heavy whipping cream. Those are all hand steamed 100% all the way through. Don't put them down to pull some shots. If your specialty milks and your breves, pre-measure those things so you're not over pouring. Milk can only be heated twice when you're heating it. So that means once you fill your pitcher and you use some and you have some left over, you have to make sure you double that before heating it up again, and watch how many times you did steam it and let your coworkers know, hey, this needs to be used. It's already been steamed twice. Always want to steam your milk first. It holds the heat better. Pull your shots, flavor your drink, and then you can come back to your milk. If the texture separates, give it a nice stir, and it's good to pour in. That's some tips on some milk.